Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how you can add new cities to your iPhone weather app. So the weather app is this one, I have it right here, but if you cannot find it you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen like so and type in weather. Okay, so as you can see, here's the icon, just click on that. Now, the iPhone weather app, it's native, so it comes with the iPhone iOS. And once you open it, you can see the main screen. This is where I'm at right now. I'm in Monterrey, Mexico. And it's going to give you the information of the day. And of course, the air quality. You got your hourly forecast over here, your air quality map, and your 10-day forecast. Now, what if I want to know about another city? Okay, as you can see right here below, there are several dots that's telling us that there are more cities that I have already recorded. Okay, I can swipe left and see them. I got Melchor-Muskis, got San Diego, California, McAllen, Texas, Saltillo, it's another city near mine, Mexico City, Houston, Texas, and that's it. So another way I can view them is by clicking right here on this little three dashes, three lines. And okay, as you can see, we can see all of these cities that I have available. I can add more, of course. So how do we do that? We're gonna click right here on the search bar. And for example, let's say I want to add Seattle. Let's type in Seattle. Here's Seattle, Washington. Just click on that. And you can see the button right here where it says add. Okay, I'm gonna click on that. And boom. Right here, it appears right here at the end. But let's say you don't want it to be at the end. Let's say you want to organize your cities. Okay, if you press and leave it pressed with your finger on the city you want to move, it's going to allow you to move it. So let's do that. As you see, it sort of pops up. Then just drag it upwards like this. So I'm gonna put it as a second option. My first option is my actual location in Monterey, but as you can see, I just moved it as to second place. Now, if I click on my location, this is where we started. If I swipe left, there it is. There's Seattle, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to delete them as well. Okay, we're gonna head back here on the three lines, and we can hit right here on the three dots right here, edit list, and you can select any city you want to delete or even move them. This is another way you can move them. So let's say, for example, I want to move San Diego to third place. I'm just gonna click and leave click right here and move it upwards. So there it is, it's now in third place. But let's say I want to delete Seattle. I don't want to see Seattle anymore. Just click the red button right here. It opens up the trash and just click on the trash. And boom, you deleted Seattle. And then we just click done. And there you go. Just click back to my location and we're done. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will continue to give you more good tips like this one. Have a good day.